This Century 21 United property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. Don't miss out on this amazing 3-bedroom 2-bath home in Benton. Open floor plan with wood-burning fireplace and built-ins. No carpet in home. Remote master bedroom with dual sinks and double closets. All new paint and flooring. Air conditioner is only 3 years old, roof is 2 years old. 2-car garage. Fully fenced backyard. Close to shopping, restaurants, I-220. Call today for your private showing. This is a relocation property, so we will need 48 hours to respond. For more information, review the details below.